located. Alright, now I have a map, and there's a little dot that says Amanda's iPhone. Yeah. So I just go on iCloud.com and do this. Okay, thank you.
Wait, is she done? Don't hang up.
Yeah. Oh, wait, where is it?
Should we write all this down, Amanda?
Mom, where's my phone?
It's right here behind you.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Amanda, did you write down your password and everything?
Oh, wait, it's asking me for my iCloud password.
Oakley 755.
Okay.
Look at me. Look at this.
Hold on one second.
It says it's incorrect.
Uh-oh.
Oh, wait. I see why. Okay.
Worked? Nice.
Now I go to iCloud. It says, wait. Okay. I'm in iCloud where the find my phone is. And yeah, it says the green button. Alright, thank you.
Wait, don't hang up.
Yeah. Alright, here she is. Thank you. Alright, here she is. Bye.
You set?
Yeah.